Hindi ka-traffic sa Makati. Yung mga building, oh. Maganda, no? Hi. Ito yung dessert, to. Kinain na namin. Sarap, no?
Yan.
O, ano?
Huli na mumupil.
Daming tao, no? Oh, manang tayo lang. Ito yung katrabaho namin. Ganda, no? Mamili na, wala pa pala eh, no? Yan, challenge, galakad.
The birthday celebration treat is too much. Luckily, it's not my birthday today because I have to treat some of my office days so much because I lost my bet. Chris is a good singer, but Adam is still better. Thank you, Renee. You're just hilarious. Jane Matthews, since my birthday is also the 8th day of my birth month, I picked 8 persons to make happy. Which is how the commitment is. The birthday is August 8th. Randomly. Last time I gave my mom a bouquet of flowers.
Magano ka?
Had her delivered to her office. So nice to surprise people. Years ago, I passed 8 snacks and gave it to 3 children.
Yan yung crush namin.
Great day ahead. Louise, so nice coffee. I look forward to practice with lots of our friends. We'll be having the birthday soon. I'll learn new ways to make them happy. What new ways? Let me know. By the way, you speak surprisingly on your birthday itself. I mean, you're the one who surprises other people. Very good. That's very generous of you. Claudia says, I think a very nice birthday celebration is when your friends surprise you on your special day.
Maga ngayon, good morning.
You don't find that's what they do, right? We have a surprise celebration. I experienced it during my last birthday, and it was shocking. I was speechless. I didn't expect to be
Hi, ma'am. Good morning.
From Elsa, my idea for celebrating my birthday would be I would have an anime costume party because I'm an anime lover. And the best costume for both genders. Simple as that. I like that idea. Or yeah, or of course it depends if you're a fan of anime. What about Transformers or something? No. That could be Bumblebee. Good morning to G32 Flavor. Also, Lily, who's joined us on Yahoo Messenger. I'll take some time out as well to be checking your messages through the text line and take your message there. Hold on a minute, there's some earlier ones that I better devote some time to. Hey, sexy Lily. For me, maybe I'll celebrate my birthday with a bunch of things, right? Yeah, tricky. Celebrate it with my daughter's family friends. Family and friends. And of course, she's a role of 10 men. Okay? Thank God. Thank you, Larry. Thank you, everybody. It looks like everyone's enjoying the hobby, so it's good. Because we could keep up with your birthdays and feeling good. I just think you know, comedy. Temperature rises, cool down in the summer. It's most refreshing thirst quenchers from Figaro. Time to taste the summer fries. They come in 3 really
Obvious namin. Sarap mo. Alin, nakatayo. Oh, ito, may customer kami darating. Sir. Tapos ko na pag umaga, no? Ganito talaga kami kasi last day na. Kaya, remembrance namin to. Paalam ba, no? Paalam na kami sa Makati. Last day. To my sponsor, thank you, Again, sa Bizarre, sa Converse, sa Nike, sa Dita. Thanks sa sponsor. Lokopinas natin. Maturok ng bago ito. Mga product namin yan. Yan. May amag yun. Parang may amag yun. Yung British namin, wala laman. Yung mga batang tinutulungan namin. Okay, bata, no? Ayun yung chicks ni Allen. Yung chicks ni Allen, no? Tama na natin.